Maraming salamat, Mr. Chair. Tanungin ko lang sa COMSEC dahil pinasubpina natin yung mga anak nitong amo. Ano nangyari?
Sir, I was informed by the council of the ex-employers that the two subjects are minors and are currently in school, Your Honor.
Ilang taon na, with the permission of Senator Estrada, ilang taon na yung mga bata na nag-aalaga ka rin ng bata, LB?
Malalaki na po yung mga anak po ng amo ko. Yung panganay po, 18. Yung bunso, 16.
18 na. Anong taon yan? Anong taon? Ito lang taong ito?
Opo.
Lalaki, babae?
Yung pong panganay, babae.
So, 18 anyos. Hindi na minor de edad, attorney? Comsec? DSWD? Saan DSWD? Minor? Minor de edad ba yun? 18 anyos. DSWD, Assistant Secretary. Dito kasi minor de edad.
Kapag, good morning po, Mr. Senator. Kapag po 18 years old and below, considered pa po na minor po yung pong subject.
Can't the committee invite them here? Because they're also involved in this issue. 18 years old is not considered a minor anymore. Correct?
Sa atin po kasi sa Department of Social Welfare and Development, of course, we always take primordial interest on the best interest of the children. At sinasabi nga po natin, 18 years old and below ay kinakailangan pa rin pong protektahan po natin. So
ibig sabihin, hindi namin sila pwede ipatawag? Hindi namin siya pwede ipatawag? At 18 years old?
I think we'll have to refer to the legal
if you want to call your
experts on this.
Legal ASEC, do that. We'll give you time.
Thank you very much.
Anyway, I move that we subpoena this 18-year-old daughter of the spouses.
Secretary, can you implement?
Or they have already been invited. Maybe I stand corrected. Issue a warrant of arrest.
Secretary, so directed.